Do you know that frustration, when you are hard at work, and someone knocks? Well, worry no more. Introducing the all-new Smart Lock. It allows you to program a knock of your choice, and then use it to enter your home without the use of a key. This version features a low-quality sound sensor to detect the knock, but is compatible with a piezo sensor as well. An IR remote may be used in addition, to unlock the door from far, or to relock it after the subject has entered. The LCD screen displays the smart lock's current activity, while the LED lights assist in reprogramming a new knock combination with visual indication. If the smart lock detects the correct combination to a certain degree, it will activate the motor, unlocking the door.
Just to confirm that everyone knows that it works and to prove that it does work. If the lock is off by whatever percentage you set in the program, it will not open. Okay, this is me programming a new lock. And the new lock is stored.